Hello kids, let's learn to week the name. Kids, week the name. First colors name: orange color, yellow color, sky blue color, brown color, red color, pink color, blue color, light green color, and light pink color. Kids, week the name. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Sunday means Ravivar. O N D A Y. Monday. Monday means Somawar. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Tuesday means Mangalwar. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Wednesday means Budhwar. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Thursday means Guruvar. F R I D A Y. Friday. Friday means शुक्रवार. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Saturday means शनिवार. Sunday रविवार. Monday सोमवार. Tuesday मंगलवार. Wednesday बुधवार. Thursday गुरुवार. Friday शुक्रवार. Saturday शनिवार. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.